Afternoon students, today we are going to learn new topic in English grammar and the topic is possessive noun. It's all about the apostrophe. Here are some objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define possessive noun and form a singular and plural possessive noun. Possess. Possess means to own or to have. For example, I possess a car. That means I own or I have a car. They possess a house. It means they own a house or they have a house. A possessive noun is a word that shows that someone owns or has something. A possessive noun shows ownership. A possessive noun always comes before the noun that belong to it. That means possessive noun is a word that shows. Possessive noun ऐसा word है जो show करता है ownership. We add an apostrophe s to a noun to show ownership. Look at this sentence. The toy belongs to the boy. Then ask the question, whose toy is this? You can say it, the boy's toy. Here are some another example. The purse belongs to my mother. To show the possession of the purse, you can say my mother's purse. Students, can you notice here something? Yes, it's all about the apostrophe. It's the apostrophe we use or we add to show the possession. Here are some general rules to form possessive nouns. Rule number 1. To change a singular noun not ending in s to a singular possessive noun, add an apostrophe s after the singular noun. That means जब सिंगुलर नाउन को सिंगुलर पॉसेसिव नाउन में चेंज करना हो, जो नाउन जो एंड होते हैं उसमें एस ना हो, लेटर एस ना हो, तब हम उस सिंगुलर नाउन में एपोस्ट्रोफी एस ऐड करते हैं सिंगुलर पॉसेसिव नाउन फॉर्म करने के लिए. अ सिंगुलर नाउन विच इज़ नॉट एंडिंग इन एस, we just add apostrophe s to that singular noun. Some examples are there. Girl, girls. We just add apostrophe s after the singular noun girl. You can say it, girl's book. This is girl's pen. Teacher, teachers. Mona, Mona's mother, mothers. We just add apostrophe s to all the singular noun which is not ending in s to form a singular possessive noun. Look at the following sentences. This book belongs to the Neha. Who is the owner of this book? Neha. We just add apostrophe s to the noun Neha to show the possession of the book. We can say it, this is Neha's book. Another one is the crown belongs to the king. Who is the owner of the crown? Yes, king. Hence we can write it as the king's crown, to show the ownership of the crown. Rule number 2. To change singular noun ending in s to a singular possessive noun, add an apostrophe after the singular noun. That means ऐसे सिंगुलर नाउन जो एंड होते हैं अल्फ़ाबेट एस के साथ, उसमें हमने जस्ट एपोस्ट्रॉफी ऐड करना है उस नाउन के बाद. A singular noun ending in s, we just add apostrophe. That means we just add apostrophe with the noun which is ending in s to show the possession. Examples: the pink dress belongs to the princess. Whose dress is? This is princess dress. To show the possession of the pink dress, see here the word princess ends with the s. We just add apostrophe after the singular noun princess. Hence we can write it as the princess dress is pink. Another one is Mr. Biswas owns this house. Here again we just add apostrophe after the singular noun Biswas. Okay, to show the possession of this house, we can write it as Mr. Biswas house. Rule number 3. To make possessive form of plural endings in s, just add an apostrophe after the plural noun. ऐसे plural noun जो end होते हैं s letter के साथ, उस plural noun में हमें सिर्फ apostrophe add करना है. A plural noun which is ending in s, just add an apostrophe to it. Examples: ladies, ladies, just add apostrophe. Dogs, dogs, apostrophe. Birds, birds, apostrophe. Bees, bees, apostrophe. Look at the following sentences. The brother of the girls is cute. The noun girls is a plural form of noun. To show, we can write it as the girl's brother is cute. Another one is the parents of my friends were invited for the party as well. We just add apostrophe to the friends and write it as my friends apostrophe parents were invited for the party as well. Rule number 4. To make possessive form of plurals not ending in s, add an apostrophe s after the plural noun. That means we just add apostrophe s to the plural noun which is not ending in s. ऐसे प्लूरल नाउन्स जो एस लेटर से एंड नहीं होते हैं, उसमें हमें अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस को ऐड करना है. एग्जाम्पल्स: माइज, माइजेस, चिल्ड्रन, चिल्ड्रंस, वुमेन, वुमेन्स, men, men's. Look at the following sentences. The mother of the children is pretty. Here's the plural noun is children, which is not ending in s. We just add apostrophe to the plural noun children, or we can write it as the children's mother is pretty. Next is that shop is good for clothes of women. Here the plural noun woman, we just add apostrophe to the plural noun woman, and write it as that shop is good for women's clothes. Non-living. We will not use apostrophe or apostrophe s to the non-living things. We just write to show the possession, just write possession of and noun for the non-living thing. Examples: the car's wheel is punctured. The car is a non-living thing, and this sentence is wrong. To show the possession, we just write it as the wheel of the car is punctured. Next is the paper's color is white. Paper is a non-living thing. We have to write it as the color of the paper is white. This is the right sentence. Here are some tasks. We just have to rewrite it with using apostrophe s or apostrophe. Number 1. This park is for children. Can be written as this is a children's park. We just add apostrophe s to the plural noun children and write the statement. The factory is owned by Mr. Singh. Can be written as this is Mr. Singh's factory. To show the possession of the factory, we just add apostrophe s to the singular noun Mr. Singh. Next is these shirts belong to the boy. Can be written as these are the boy's shirts. We add apostrophe s to the plural noun, to the singular noun boy. The bags of the students are on the desk. Can be written as the students' bags are on the desk. We just add apostrophe to the plural noun student. Feathers of the birds are yellow. Can be written as the birds' apostrophe feathers are yellow. Again, we add only apostrophe to the plural noun birds. The hammer belongs to the carpenter. To show the possession of the hammer, we can write it as this is carpenter's hammer. This house belongs to her niece. Can be written as this is her niece's house. The paintings of the artists are good. Can be written as the artist's paintings are good. So students, what we have learned in this lesson, just take a revision. The possessive form of nouns show something belonging to someone. We make use of an apostrophe to show the possession. For singular nouns not ending in s, we use an apostrophe s after the singular noun. For example, tiger's body, uncle's umbrella. For both singular and plural nouns which is ending in s, we use only apostrophe to the singular or plural nouns which is ending in s. Example, James' shirt. James is a singular noun, and trees is again plural noun. Both the noun ends with letter s, so we just add apostrophe to both of the noun. For plural nouns not ending in s, we just use an apostrophe s after the plural noun which is not ending in s. Examples, Women's songs. Men's dance. Students, I hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.